Okay, hello guys. Um, Today I have a customer complaining on a Range Rover Sport leaking sunroof. So I did actually for this customer a couple months ago. Headliner, it starts sagging, but that's this different stories. Okay, so the now he came and he complaining there is the water is leaking inside, and looks like the Range Rover Sport um they are common problem and sunroof. I never make attention for that. I take apart a lot of these cars to do the headliners, but I never make attention. They have a metal sunroof and the tubes that goes out, where the water is going out. It's metal also, but water is stay there, and it's getting rust. So what happened? It's every year, every day, every month, they're rusting more and more and more. And one day they just disappearing. They're just broken. They're just getting stuck the tubes and it's gone. So I didn't know they're selling a repair kit for that. And actually, I didn't see so many video on YouTube who is doing that. Here is the. I will try to show you. It's the repair kit right there. So there's the two pieces each side. I don't know how to show you. There's two pieces each side. So one is going up from outside, another one from inside. Here's what's happening. Let me show you. The first you have to remove the front glass. That's my first step. I hope I don't have to remove the rear one. So I'm gonna try to do without removing the rear glass. I hope it will work. So here's what happened. You see the hole right there? It's really rust and it's stuck. From other side, if you look at from inside, there is gone. I didn't remove yet the headliner, so that's gonna be the next step. So what happened in this one? So I have to just make a little bigger hole and slide it this one in and screw it this thing from other side. This one. And the tube, the rubber tube is connecting to here. So let's do it. No, needs bigger. Okay, I think this is enough. So now we have to remove from inside the rest of them from that metal. Clean it up and slide it this one in. So I'm not gonna record it how I'm removing headliner, so I'm gonna just put on the pause. So, and we'll see later when I'm gonna start installing this. Check this out. Driver's side. Let's see closer. That's how they're supposed to be. Right there. This is what happened. Okay, I'm going to clean it up and drill it this and put the new tubes. From inside, no way. There is an airbag. Okay, let me get my tools. Have to make a hole bigger. Come on, boy. Let's try again from inside. Clean it. Okay, here is good. I'm going to, from inside, I will clean it a little bit from inside. That is not bad. No. Here. Okay, so now I have to screw it from inside. Now I have to screw it from inside. Okay. Mm-hmm. I just want to clean it up a little bit. I think too much silicone. Okay. I need another tool, so let me grab them. That's pretty much tight. So now what I'm gonna do, we will use a little bit more silicone, just around. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to close up. It's right there. Looks pretty much good. And let's see from other side. Do you see that? Right there. Now I have to clean it inside and put them in. Okay. Driver's side is done. From outside, I did a little bit silicone. I put a little bit silicone, and inside too. So, and around, you can see it all around it with the silicone. I don't have a black silicone, so sorry. I don't need a white. But that doesn't matter. You can paint it if you don't like it. But the rubber, I just realized they was sitting not pretty much tight. Like I say, plastic zip, that would be perfect. And pretty much tight, so you're never gonna remove. So the passenger side, I'm not gonna make a video how I'm doing that because the process was the same. So guys, if you have a question, actually you can send a message, leave a comment. Interesting where to get that kit and this car. So I have a business card. When they ship, they just put the information. There is a business card we received with the repair kit. Let me make it closer. So maybe they will help. Even there is a phone number